Hi, my name is Victoria Calvin with Splish and Splash Mobile Pet Spa in Miami, Florida. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to remove skunk odor from your dog. If your mischievous buddy got into a fight with the skunk, chances are the skunk won. Now you're left to deal with the smell. I'm going to show you how to make a mixture that's going to remove the smell. It starts off with 4 cups of hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon of Dawn, and 4 tablespoons of baking soda. I've already made this mixture, so we will use it right from here. While your dog is dry, do not wet them, which will make the smell worse and make it more difficult to get out. And do not use any normal shampoos. If you've already done this, I'm sure you've noticed, didn't help at all. You're going to apply the mixture all over your dog's body and make sure you absolutely soak their coat. You have to let this set in for at least 15 minutes, and for most dogs it will require a second treatment. So you soak them in, make sure you get every single spot on their body, even if you don't smell anything on that particular spot. You just want to cover their whole body. When it's time to get their face, make sure you don't get this in their eyes because it will sting. So just cover their eyes like this and apply this back. To get their muzzle, if they got their face sprayed, put it into your hands and massage it in, just like that. Good girl. After you let this sit for at least 15 minutes, you're going to thoroughly rinse. If you still see that there's any traces of odor, repeat the process again from the beginning. After the scent is all out, you can follow up with any shampoo and conditioner of your choice. Definitely use a conditioner because this treatment will dry their skin out and you do not want them to get itchy because of that. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Victoria Calvin.